But he thinks that he says that this is the next wedding song. So I believe it. Oh, if you plan on getting married, book this song. Do it again, do it again, do it again, yeah. Oh. The song go like this, it say, first off, let me start by saying I'm thankful to have you in my life.
So thankful.
Ever since the day I met you, you have shown me what true love feels like.
What it feel like,
I'm thankful for you and everything that you do, and I wanna spend every last moment with you. It don't get no better than you right here with me.
Ooh, girl, you mean so much.
So much to me. Oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
So pretty, y'all.
So much to me. La 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 la, la 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 la. You mean so much. Talk to him, Miss Maya.
It amazes me you feel this way. It's kinda crazy cause I feel the same way. I remember when we first locked eyes. You stole my heart from me, took me by surprise. I never knew a love like this before. Just something about you, boy, I just can't ignore. You got a light that shines so bright. Being with you, it just feels so right. You accept me in all my ways, and you take the pain inside away. You make me feel like in love again. To the end, I don't care when nobody says I'm gonna love you either way. And I'm just here to stay.
I'm thankful for you and everything that you do, and I wanna spend every last
Just like a summer's day, y'all. You feel me? Raw deal, just want to express a little love right here, man. For all our sisters and brothers out there.
And I'm thankful for you and everything that you do. Now I wanna spend every last moment with you. Don't get no better. You right here with me. Ooh, girl, you mean so much to me. Oh, that is means so much. Y'all can be sure to find that on all social media, all platforms. It's coming out soon.
Yeah, that
This
was
next one.